Today I'm going to introduce to you my project, which is a startup project in engineering. In the project, I will be introducing Skill Swap, the stages of development, problem definition and motivation, application concept and target users, and finally benefits of Skill Swap and the conclusion. Time to introduce to you SkillSwap, which is a peer-to-peer skill exchange application. It's made to make it easy for users to acquire new skills by exchanging their existing knowledge, something that they already know, rather than just relying on financial payment like financial courses. So, the main concept of SkillSwap is grounded in collaborative learning, accessibility, and community engagement. In modern educational and professional environments, many learners face financial and accessibility issues when attempting to improve their skills. At the same time, these users, they often already have some valuable abilities that remain underutilized. So SkillSwap addresses this gap by creating a structured digital platform where users can both teach and learn in a mutually beneficial manner. So it's basically allowing them to teach and learn at the same time. Starting off, let's address the problem, definition, and motivation. So, one of the main challenges in contemporary or modern learning systems is the heavy dependence on paid courses, subscriptions, and private tutoring. These solutions are not always affordable or flexible, especially for like students or people who are just starting off their career. Additionally, traditional platforms often position users only as learners and ignoring their potential role as contributors because the user already has some valuable skills. And this is where SkillSwap is going to allow them to be more recognized. So, as both knowledge providers and learners at the same time, thereby reducing costs and promoting shared growth. Time to speak about the application concept and target users. So SkillSwap functions as a community-driven platform where users create personal profiles highlighting the skills they can offer and the skills they wish to learn. So who are the target users? The target users include university students, self-learners, hobbyists, and young professionals seeking practical and flexible learning opportunities. So by focusing on peer-to-peer interaction, the platform motivates direct engagement, giving the users more personalized experiences and long-term collaboration between each other. The stages of development of SkillSwap follows a structured and systematic process. So the first stage is ideation, during which the core problem was identified and the concept of non-monetary skill exchange was defined. Now, this stage involves analyzing existing learning platforms and identifying their limitations in terms of cost and accessibility. So, follows the second stage is requirement analysis and planning. At this stage, the functional requirements of the application were determined. These include user registration and authentication, skill listing and categorization, also skill matching, messaging and communication tools, and a reputation system to support trust among users. Non-functional requirements such as usability, scalability, and data privacy were also considered. In the third stage is design, which usually focuses on structuring the user journey and interface. So the application design emphasizes simplicity and clarity to ensure that users can easily navigate the platform. So the key design components include profile pages, skill cards, matching results, and communication interfaces. The goal of this stage is to minimize complexity while maximizing user engagement. Moving on to the fourth stage, which is conceptual development and system logic implementations. Although SkillSwap was not developed using a specific programming framework in this project, logical workflows and system behavior were clearly defined. So, these workflows describe how users interact with the platform, how skill matches are generated, and how exchanges are initiated and completed. So let's move on to the final stage, which is testing and evaluation. In this stage, potential challenges such as unbalanced exchanges, users that are inactive, and trust related issues were identified. So hypothetical user feedback was used to evaluate system effectiveness and proper improvements. Moving on to the use of prompts in conceptual development. Prompts were used as a conceptual tool to simulate intelligent system behavior within SkillSwap. These prompts define how the platform responds to user actions, such as recommending suitable skill matches based on user preferences. And this is, for example, if someone is interested in learning calculus, they will find the perfect match to this person. And for example, suggesting fair exchange durations and encouraging profile completion. Additional prompts guide users to provide feedback after exchanges, supporting transparency and continuous improvement. So the use of prompts allows the system to appear more adaptive and user-centered. Some of the uses of SkillSwap could be in various learning contexts. For example, academically, students can exchange tutoring in subjects such as programming or languages. Professionally, users can share career-related skills, including resume writing, interview preparation. Creatively, hobbyists can exchange skills such as photography, and institutions such as universities and community organizations can also adopt. Some of the benefits of SkillSwap is that it removes financial barriers by eliminating direct payment, making learning more accessible. Moreover, it encourages active participation and engagement by positioning users as both learners and teachers. This role enhances communication and confidence. Moreover, SkillSwap fosters a sense of community and supports lifelong learning. Potential improvements and further development. So, some of the improvements to SkillSwap could include advanced skill verification mechanisms such as certification badges and peer endorsement systems. Gamification elements, including achievement levels and reward points, could be introduced to increase user motivation and engagement. Additionally, integrating intelligent recommendation algorithms could further personalize the matching process by considering factors such as skill level, availability, and learning preferences. In conclusion, SkillSwap represents an innovative and sustainable approach to skill development through collaboration rather than financial exchange. By following structured development stages, utilizing intelligent prompts, and prioritizing user trust and experience, with continuous improvements and community involvement, SkillSwap can evolve into a valuable platform that empowers individuals to learn, teach, and grow together. SkillSwap will make every user feel special, feel valuable, and values the knowledge they have, and makes it easy for every user to find the preferences they need and to interact with people. It's going to make learning and teaching an easier and more fun experience to everyone. Thank you.